Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PRAN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance easier to see. Now, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice day today. Sure, the price did pull back here, but I mean, where it closed today relative to where it was yesterday, good, solid overall day. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance. We'll start off with supports and the ideal level of support going into tomorrow, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above $2.35, that would by far make the chart look the strongest. But if the price does drop below it, by no means am I saying that everything's ruined or anything like that. That would just be the best case scenario. At the end of the day, from the support perspective and kind of just a very simplistic way to measure the health of the move, what do I mean by the move? Well, this thing right here. I mean, the price has been moving, so how do we measure the health of it? Keep an eye on that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. I totally realize it's irrelevant right now given it's way down here and the price closed way up here, but keyword there being moving average. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to continue to move its way upwards and look something like this. So when you just stop and think about it, well, what does the price need to do in order to stay above a line like that? Well, the price could technically come all the way down here and then go up, come all the way down here, and then go up and then come all the way down here. And as long as it's staying above that purple line, hopefully you notice, well, the price is still putting in those higher lows over time, and that's what long-term healthy moves do. They're going to build uptrends over time, and the easiest way to measure that uptrend is just to keep an eye on that purple line. Now, again, best case, 235, but if not, as long as the price is above the purple line, then in my opinion, bulls are in full control of the current move. Bulls are in full health, however you can best visualize that. What about levels of resistance? The fun level of resistance is up here at $2.95. I say that's the fun one because, yeah, it is always fun to talk about, testing previous highs, breaking new highs. But in many situations, there's other bridges that first need to be crossed, and that's certainly the case here. So before you start talking about the fun level up around $2.95, the first key level that's going to need to be broken back above is $2.70. So $2.70, initial area of resistance, and then, yeah, it makes sense to start to talk about the fun area up around $2.95, but one step at a time, and that first step is at $2.70. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice day today, so it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.